Mabusia for me chachi obi asa ma obi bia kwa ba biem e de ba eye ode ne ho TV ode ne ho kase ebo so na adru susisia me gidi se oba de environment obi bia ho ya ha de de update ni trending news nkwan ya de so me viewers ni ya hwefo mu tie o YouTube channel no me so say obe subscribe this channel no wa like obe share so so ma obi bia o mo sanka video so sanka video na so mo so ehun de ekoso wo oman Ghana mu ase na mensem mekwane bebo ewura enensem ntentem ya na abusuafo ensema trend de esewani ense okache mekọ akọbọ audio no after this video me the audio no beto ase na chese watie de ekoso o man Ghana mu ase na mekọ a me ho adwumi mempese meka nsem bebre afa ensema ekoso o man Ghana mu ase ne bekọ akotie audio no mu nsempa na abusuafo ho bedwiri te se de me ho adwiri ye bekọ akotie abasisi ya ekotie ba de ho bia ye beka to aso me de obi bia sisi oti ode no TV me de obi bia.
Counsel for Bring Gyakye Quayson, Tsikata, announced in court that his side had filed a process at the Apex Court to prohibit the court from going ahead with the case. He cited issues of bias and unfairness against the MP and indicated the judge had prejudged the matter on the legislator's health status. Presiding Judge Mary Yanzu indicated to him that the court had received no orders from the Supreme Court asking them to stay proceedings. Bring Gyakye Quayson's purported health issue then took a center stage at the court, with the judge asking why the MP was not in court and also refused to join a virtual link sent to him by the court. Mr. Tsikata stated that his client was undergoing medical tests in Canada, hence his inability to be present in court. Before Tsikata disclosed this in court, both parties had met in the chambers of the judge and a letter was handed over to the judge with a plea by Tsikata for the judge not to disclose the medical condition of Bring Gyakye Quayson because of how confidential medical conditions are. But the judge says the letter handed her does not disclose any health condition and has no attachment of a medical report. Deputy Attorney General Alfred Chiayebo affirmed what transpired in the judge's chambers, emphasizing that the counsel for the MP has failed to bring any medical expert to testify on the health condition of the MP. The court then directed Mr. Tsikata to move his motion for the case to continue. It's now unclear whether the MP for Asen North, Bring Gyakye Quayson, will be present in court on the next agenda date or join a virtual link supplied by the court to participate on the proceedings virtually. The case has been adjourned.
Makaka asembizu wa Facebook awale sumuni. Ma nuwala pana ze. Mpawachi chemewi akakanyi ora kwa mnadanga. Ono wachi chemewi akakane. Oye mendade kukuba akusuzi nuhubeshima. Waze momani kaka nisu oye. Na ninya inde Ghana nimpunjui. Obeyin bi na okade aya politics ye jan platform ye za ko hwi kakra na ye kansam kakra nti niya inde emirasu de yen campaign asha sentam dutu, and I don't know why as politicians in my former ye din pain for ye pushing yama to look as if we are in the election area. And aga kame ya to aba to so o shenyango ponesa. The American yam the gesi there. I said something here a time ago there. If Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is elected as the flag bearer of the MPP, the northern region will shake. And it will change our political thinking and dynamics. See, the other side thinks that Ghanaians are crying. And the Ghana is in the, it is easy for them. And they are declaring themselves as winners. But I always caution. Me cautioning in there. Certain times in our political history, it is not by the problem of our economy now, I'm a man for what about. Wasn't a particular party to come to power. But sometimes it's based on tribal. Sometimes with the personality that is leading that party.
Okay, kindly alert Alote that I am sending Facebook please after him. Apparently, he has deleted some interactions I had with a friend on his page relative to the Akpeteshi 24/7 post. Wow, what a coincidence. That is what he is talking about too. So telepathic.
But I love Koku's
intervention.
No, his love for me.
Oh, okay.
What are they say? Nalo bisa me there I bet she 24/7 nitasi na miso ibi wo mebusu afi nchen wa anafo. Wow. Wo friend me die 24 hours. There's nothing new.
Bombay.
You know, midnight. Enya ne eduwa ebuabu nu ma o se midnight. No, was the would have put it enjoy 24/7. You know, that's another 24-hour economy. Until they get to Funuso, there's no difference. The 24-hour economy. So what did I do? But Mama Kanyinde, I'm happy to see the acceptance of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia by the chiefs and the people of the 5 northern regions. Extraordinary. Extraordinary to the extent the ni opponent na any traditional area were in skinning as chief of unity.
Konu Kolewura.
Yeah, these are little sparks.
The name is so sweet.
That should put fear into his opponents. And Asam Waka no Oka, he speaks with respect because that is his field. And see, Inyama, yes, as I'm not a student of politics, but I'm an uneducated student of politics. Yeah, you're changing kujubra politics, but we have seen some of these scenarios. Now, my advice, the vice president and flag bearer of the MPP there, keep course. There, let's be focused. And the majority there, most you all your new organization. So if you send film to speak to the grassroots, irrespective of their political affiliation, no otum or approach one. It will go well for him. That's my advice to him. Thank you to be in, and sometimes he needs to explain himself more. There were certain things he said in 2015, 2016. Was the winning elections were by. But I think that this government has done so much. So much. I don't belong to their party. But I believe that the government have done so well. Then you may be open with social media. You ask yourself, is that true? But yes, the reality is there.